Hi, I'm Duffeck with the Austin Real Estate Experts, and thanks for joining me today on my video blog. Today we're going to answer the question, is 2016 the best year for me to sell my home? I have some great information. I think you're going to find it helpful. Okay, before we get started, I'd just like to take a quick moment to point your attention towards two links on our blog page. The first one is the Search Homes Now tab, which takes you directly to our home search site. We also have a tab here that's for the free home evaluation, in which that also takes you to a really cool tool on our website where it gives you an instant ballpark price range of your home. And as for the real estate market right now, it is February. It's technically the winter, and it feels like spring. I mean, it's just been beautiful out there. Everywhere I drive in town, it seems very active. And the real estate market is equally as active. There are very few homes on the market right now. So for buyers, there is just not a lot to choose from. And there's a lot of investment money moving into the Austin metro area. So there's first-time home buyers and move-up buyers and investors all competing for some of the same properties. So we're seeing multiple offer situations on a regular basis. In fact, right now for buyers, I mean, if you're looking below 300,000, pretty much the moment a home comes on the market, people are on their way over there to take a look at it. And more often than not, again, I see these bidding wars happening over properties. So from a negotiation standpoint, it's a different ballgame, you know, negotiating for just a price and terms on a house versus when you're negotiating against other buyers who are trying to outbid you. Higher price points, you know, I would say, you know, $500,000 and above, there is a little bit more inventory to choose from. Especially if you're considering any of the areas up in Williamson County, like Cedar Park, Leander, Round Rock, Georgetown, Pflugerville. There's a lot of competition among home builders up there right now, which means that you can get really good incentives packages. They'll sometimes give you incentives toward upgrades, or maybe even toward paying for your closing costs, in addition to the great prices that they're offering. So now really is a good time to buy in new construction. The combination of interest rates being low with this low inventory is quite interesting. It makes it kind of a good time to sell and a good time to buy. Prices have come up so much here in Austin. You know, now might be a good time to take a little bit off the top, especially if you're looking at your home as an investment. I don't see appreciation happening at quite the high rate that it has been happening. You know, once we get toward the end of this year, 2016, I imagine that by the end of the summer of 2016, that will probably be the best opportunity, you know, for you to get top dollar for your home. After the summer, I have a feeling interest rates will have continued to rise, and at least that's what I'm hearing from a lot of the bankers and lenders that I'm talking to. So with that, all conditions look really good if you're a seller. You're probably going to get multiple offers if you price it right, and if your house is clean and move-in ready, and prices have gone up. So there's a good chance you're in an equity position there, and that you'll be walking away with some money. On the buyer side, it takes a little bit more coordination, so we can kind of help you with that. Again, depending on the price point, there may be some different options. Right now, again, I'd say especially under 250, it's hard to find much of anything out there. They do come on the market, but they sell really quick. So we need to kind of stay on top of that for you. When you get to the price point of around $1 million and above, depending on what part of town that you're looking in, there are some really cool things happening as well. Over in Lakeway right now, there's actually quite a bit of inventory. I don't think it's going to last very long at that price point. It's going to start getting eaten up. But right now in Lakeway, for $1 million, you can get some amazing views and some incredible homes with some incredible unique finishes. So Lakeway is a great place to invest right now for that price point. Eanes ISD, the whole Westlake Hills area is still really hot It just depends on the property. They either sell really quick over there if they're unique and have all the right features and updates, or sometimes they take a little bit longer to get moving. So we can help you sort through all of the mess. There's a lot involved when you start thinking about making a move, and we would like to be the resource for you to help you get your planning started. So if you have any questions at all, if there's anything I can do to help you or anyone you know with any real estate needs, just give us a shout. 512-820-8048. Again, I'm Kurt Duffeck with the new crew at Austin Real Estate Experts. And now one last note for today. If you ended up purchasing a home with us last year, you need to apply for your homestead exemption if it's an owner-occupied home. The application period began in January and it ends April 30th. So if you haven't yet applied for your homestead exemption, feel free to give us a call. I can get you the links whether you're in Williamson County or Travis County or Hayes County so that you can apply for your homestead exemption. Thank you so much, and we look forward to hearing from you.